Alright, this video is going to be short and straightforward to the best website builders that you actually need to be using if you have a small business. I've tried so many website builders to run multiple sites, but these are my top recommendations for beginners. So first up, WordPress. This is by far the most popular website builder because it's easy to use and open source, meaning it's free. But to get started, you'll need some type of hosting platform to run your WordPress site. Likely, our service provides hosting plans at a cheap and affordable price to start your first WordPress site. Also, we've helped so many from our customers to set up their site and fix their technical issues. One of the best things about WordPress is the number of themes and plugins available. You can consider a theme as the outfit for your website. It controls how it looks. And with thousands of free themes out there, you can make your site look exactly how you want. And with plugins, you can easily add extra features like contact forms, social media buttons, or SEO tools to improve your site's search ranking. In short, WordPress is perfect if you want a website that can grow with your business, making it a top choice for small businesses everywhere. Okay, for the next website builder we're talking about today is Sitejet Builder. This tool is perfect for small businesses that want a professional-looking website without the hassle. One of the standout features of Sitejet, its drag-and-drop interface. This means you don't need to know any coding to build a good-looking website, and also you can choose from a wide range of pre-designed templates that are tailored to different industries, where you can choose the one that matches your business style. Also, you shouldn't forget that Sitejet is optimized for fast loading times, so your website will perform well even during high traffic periods. Now, in terms of their pricing, Sitejet is a little bit more expensive compared to some other website builders, but likely we've included this awesome tool in all of our hosting plans, where in your client area, you can dive straight into editing your site with all the features Sitejet offers and launch your website in a few clicks only. Finally, there's Weebly. Weebly is great for those who want simplicity that makes managing your website really simple. If you're new to building websites or just want something straightforward, Weebly has a super easy drag-and-drop editor, where you can build and customize your site by just dragging things around. So it's a great choice for anyone who wants to get their site online quickly without dealing with technical stuff. Another great thing about Weebly is that it's affordable and not that expensive, and you can even start with a free plan. Now, one thing to keep in mind, using the free plan won't allow you to connect your custom domain to your website, where you have to use their own subdomain unless you have subscribed to one of our hosting plans, where you can easily connect your custom domain name and start building your site right away. So these three website builders are my best recommendations for anyone who's looking to get started on his website today, and no matter which one you choose, our hosting platform will make it easier than ever to build and grow your online website. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're still not a member of our community yet. Also, thank you for your time, and see you in the next one.